Welcome to this video on how to install Kodi on your Android TV device. In this case, I'll be using my Nvidia Shield TV, which is a really good device for running Kodi as well as many games. So it's as easy as here in the top, click to search Kodi, and here you have it. Just select the application and hit install. Accept. So now Kodi will be installed on your device and will show up in your main view at the bottom. As you see here, it's installing now. Another way is going through Google Play Store. It's not under featured apps yet, so we hope to be there soon. It's here as in movies and TV. You could also browse down to media apps, and here you have Kodi as well. So there are many ways on how to install Kodi on your Android TV device. It should show up anytime, and running it is as easy as just selecting the app and hitting OK, and it will start. On first run, you might get some pop-ups that some things are broken or are updated. Just hit yes and your system is ready to go to get all your videos added you have locally on your server or on your plugged in hard drive. Okay, thank you for watching.